This film will show you how to create a new generic price list. As a rule, you need a new price list at least once a year to reflect changes. Whether your employees have had a raise or changed their price categories, you still need a new generic price list. Now I'll show you the steps to create a price list. Start by clicking Create Price Lists. This is where you create the different kinds of price lists. Each price list is linked to an activation date, so you need to create a new activation date first. It's the date of effect for the changes. To create a new date, start by clicking the white paper. Here you need to fill in the activation date and a description. Save the new date and click on the check mark to enable it. Click Yes. Click Update to make sure all employees appear on the list. Check the price categories of each employee. If you need to change any of them or if it's empty, just click on the current price category, then click the drop-down arrow. Choose the relevant category from the list. Close the window. Next question is whether to make this activation date the main one of the year. The pricing information on the new employees is automatically inserted into the generic price list of the main activation date. Press the calendar icon to set as main date. Next step is to insert the employees in the price list. You can either insert all of them in one go, or you can insert only those that have changed their price category or prices. If you only need changes for a few employees, insert them like that. I'm going to insert all employees in one go by pressing this button. Start by filling in the sales prices according to price category. The sales prices will automatically be copied to the relevant employee. If you don't use this feature, you need to fill in the prices for each employee. If you have an older price list, you can use the button to copy the sales prices from that price list into the new one. Now you need to fill in the monthly salary as well as the cost prices. It's very important to fill in all the blanks. A blank field is interpreted as a 0. Hourly wage is the cost price of absence. Billable cost price includes any insurance, pension, taxes and so on. This is the cost price towards your clients. When you are done entering all the prices, press the button Activate Price List. To recap, to create a new generic price list, you should start by creating an activation date. Next step is to fill in the price list with price categories, employees and their cost and sales prices. Finally, the price list can be activated.